kids spend more time in school than they do with me.
I keep thinking of the word prepared. We would use every resource possible to prepare our kids.
And so I see a partner, I don't see a substitute. I look and I say, I want my kids to have teachers and coaches that agree with me and want spiritually for my kids what I want for my kids.
A teenager has to see what that looks like. A biblical living curriculum on how you live your life. And they're trying to unpack who I am and what is my purpose.
It's not a formula for perfect kids. It's not a formula for no problems. It's not isolationism. It is an environment and an opportunity.